Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the exact YouTube account that watched the videos. This ties history to your Google identity. Once signed in, open YouTube and go straight to Library, then History, or type /feed/history in the address bar to jump there. You need Watch History enabled. If it's paused, you won't see new items. So enable it now, because once enabled, YouTube logs plays and likes and makes the complete chronological list available for the next steps. Once you're on the history page, use the search field at the top to locate specific videos by title or channel. This narrows thousands of entries fast. You can also use the filter or menu to switch between Watch History and Search History for focused review. For each entry, click the three-dot menu to remove single items. This adjusts recommendations immediately. If you need date range control or full timestamps, click Manage All Activity to jump into Google. To finish, export or archive your history with Google Takeout if you want an offline record. Select YouTube and YouTube Music History and follow the export steps. If you prefer cleanup, use Clear All Watch History or set Auto Delete to 3, 18, or 36 months so older items vanish automatically. If you don't see expected entries, make sure you're in the right account, confirm Watch History wasn't paused, and that you weren't using incognito or signed out playback. Those are the most common reasons.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.